Okay. Harap. Oh.
Alright. Now we go to our next performer. Yo, since we went to our oldest performer, let's go to our youngest performer here already. Introducing our teachers and our kid from the Wonders Program. Woo!
Titanium. Make sounds perfect. Yeah. Kailangan nyo markila.